much better to bet them on Wednesday than now.
A somewhat under the radar game that's caught my attention. You've got the Rams catching 7 at home. They're going to start Jimmy G. So this gives you an opportunity to say Jimmy G. But they're not going to start their receivers. Seattle is done, and the Rams, to maintain their 3 seed, they need to win, but they need the Bucks to lose to New Orleans. So.
I can't do it.
I'm not
but I
doing
hear
it.
you.
Rankin, good lord. That will never fail to amuse me.
One of the best prop bets. This is No Weather Radio Station WNG 575.